These are the steps for washing and drying your laundry. So first, I have my task analysis record sheet hanging by the laundry room so that I can check off my steps as I go. Step number 1 is to gather dirty laundry. So I am going to grab my laundry and I can go ahead and check that off of my list now. Okay, now step number 2 is placing the laundry into the washing machine. Now I can check that off of my list as well. Step number 3 is for me to grab my Tide Pods up here, and I just grab one pod and place it on top of the laundry. Now I can check that step off of my list. Step number 4 is to close the washing machine lid. And now I can check it off of my list. Step number 5 is for me to choose the size of the load that I am washing. So I will go to medium size, and now I can check that off of my list. Then the next step is to go ahead and choose what setting I want to wash my laundry on. So I have mostly cottons here, so I will go ahead and go to the cotton side and do medium, and I can check that off of my list now. And the final step for washing is to go ahead and press start. And now I can check that off of my list. Once the washing is done, then we can move on to step 8, which is to grab the laundry from the washer and put it into the dryer. And now we can check it off of our list. Next, before we start the dryer, we need to check the lint trap. So we will pull it out, and there's just a little bit of lint, so we can grab it and throw it away. And replace. Now we can check that off of the list. Next, we'll close the dryer door, and we can check it off. Now, just as with the washer, we'll need to choose the setting that we want to be on. And again, I'm using mostly cottons, so I can go ahead and turn it to more dry, and we can check that off of our task list. Then we can go ahead and click start. And we can check that off of our list. And finally, now that the clothes are done drying, we can grab them out of the dryer and then put them into the laundry basket, where we can then return them to where they belong. And we can go ahead and check that off of our list. And there we go. Now we've completed the steps to washing and drying our laundry.